Your EDC probably has a knife, a flashlight, maybe a good pen. But what about electrical gear? Because right now, diagnosing a circuit means grabbing your multimeter from one drawer, your clamp meter from another, and praying you didn't leave the thermal probe at a job site. The Fnirsi DMC-100 packs a full multimeter, amp clamp, NCV detector, and a thermometer into something that honestly looks more like a burner phone than a piece of test gear. Color display, USB-C charging, fits in a jacket pocket. But does it actually hold up, or is it just a pretty gadget? Stick around because the answer surprised me. Out of the box, it's a clean package. The unit, a USB-C cable, and a set of probes that immediately feel better than they should at this price point. Gold-plated tips, solid strain relief, no flimsy nonsense. You also get a K-type thermocouple thrown in, which is genuinely rare at this tier. Most competitors charge extra for that or don't include it at all. The body itself is matte black non-slip plastic, feels dense, not hollow, doesn't show fingerprints. The clamp jaw opens to about an inch, 25 millimeters, which covers the vast majority of home wiring, automotive cables, you name it. First impression, this thing means business. Okay, the screen. This is where it gets fun. 2-inch color, TFT 240 by 320. Yeah, your phone laughs at those numbers, but context matters. On a multimeter, this display is sharp, bright, high contrast, perfectly readable in direct sunlight, and there's a proper light dark mode toggle, so whether you're in a bright workshop or tracing wires in a dark crawl space, you're covered. 5 buttons below the screen handle everything. Short press for standard navigation, long press to unlock the advanced stuff, like real-time waveform graphing for both voltage and current. That's a feature you'd normally only see on a benchtop scope or a much more expensive meter. Coming from the world of big chunky dials, there's a small learning curve, but it takes about 10 minutes to feel totally natural. All right, let's get into the actual testing, because specs on a box mean nothing. Rated for 600 volts and 600 amps, through resistors, capacitors, standard voltage checks, it was consistently on the money, well within stated tolerances. No complaints there. The current clamp is where it gets nuanced. Under 2 amps, I was seeing variants of around 70 milliamps, roughly 3.5% error. Not ideal, but the moment you cross that 2 amp threshold, it tightens right down to 20 to 30 milliamp deviation for home electrical charging circuits. Workshop gear, totally acceptable. You're not making life or death decisions off a 25 milliamp margin. Here's where I have to be straight with you, especially if you're a mechanic or do any automotive diagnostics. I ran the DMC-100 against a UNI-T professional clamp meter during a cold engine start. The DMC-100 logged 136 amps peak. The UNI-T caught 250 amps. That's not a calibration issue. It's a fundamental one. There's no Inrush mode. The hardware simply can't capture those split-second current spikes during motor startup. If testing, starter draw, alternator load, or anything with high inrush current is part of your workflow, this won't replace your dedicated automotive clamp. Full stop. Color screen plus active electronics means battery life is actually a real question here. And it held up better than I expected. I got just over 10.5 hours of continuous screen on time. Charging from flat takes around 2 hours 20. It draws about 0.75 amps during the bulk charge cycle, so it plays nicely with standard USB-C power banks and wall bricks. Realistically, for a tool you're not running 24/7, you're charging this maybe once a month. Not a concern. So who actually should buy this? If you're a full-time industrial electrician, this isn't replacing your Fluke. It's not trying to. But if you're an end person, a homeowner who actually does their own work, a van lifer, a maker, or just someone tired of hauling 4 separate tools to diagnose a simple circuit, this thing is genuinely smart. One pocket-sized device covers multimeter, clamp meter, NCV, and thermometer duties for a fraction of what those 4 tools cost separately. It's well built, accurate where it counts, and the color display stops being a gimmick. One question before you go, Sour Cho. Do you think color displays on test gear are the future or just a distraction? Drop it in the comments. I'm genuinely curious where people land on that. Subscribe if you want more gear that's actually worth your time. See you in the next one.